This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and adjust the flight distance restriction on this drone. So to start, you will need to launch your drone's settings and select the safety category. Now scroll down, look for the flight protection controls, and look for the max distance specifically. If you would like to switch it off and remove any max distance limitations, just move the slider all the way to the right until you'll see the no limit value. Then you can also adjust it within, or set it to be anywhere between 20 meters and 8,000 meters or 8 kilometers. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.